Hello everyone. Well, the topic of this presentation is the impact of Mexico on the environment. I want to start by introducing myself, that then I will give a brief explanation about the impact of Mexico to the environment, and to finish I will describe action to reduce this impact. My name is Caterina Naranjo. I study business administration. I am 36 years old. I live in Barranquilla. I work as business manager. The company to which I addressed my letter, it was about PepsiCo, one of the multinational that pollutes the most with plastic worldwide, with an alarming figure of 137,000 tons per year, a figure that is equivalent to the covering 22 soccer fields a day. This excess of plastic waste is higher in developing countries, where waste is poorly measured due to lack of a proper collection system or collection of recyclable materials. In the letter sent, I expressed my disagreement with the minimum practice used in the manufacture and packaging of their products, and with the total lack of recycling and reuse programs of all its locations. Length and width of the planet, maintaining a high carbon footprint in consideration of what could be reducing if recycling and reuse practices were applied, but instead they continue to mass produce single-use packaging that limits and slow down the use of any eco-friendly practice. What solution to this environmental problem, and for which our company in question is one of the many responsible, will be developing packaging line that allows company to provide a returnable packaging service that can be recycled and reused for the distribution of its products, where each supplier company, be it a warehouse, supermarket, or store, they will be the local managers of the collection of the containers to proceed with the disinfection or subsequent reuse at the time of manufacture, reduce the carbon footprint by implementing the reuse of raw materials, leaving aside single-use packaging that only ends up in our water and terrestrial ecosystems. This is I want this is what I wanted to share with you. Thanks and bye.